In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Seeking Alpha annual reports. By the end, you'll be able to quickly find a company's core financial statements and view them on an annual basis so you can compare performance over time with confidence. First, head over to Seeking Alpha in your browser. In the search bar at the top, type the stock ticker for the company you want to research, something like AAPL for Apple, or simply start typing the company name and select the correct result from the list. This takes you to the stock's main page, which is your central hub for news, analysis, and most importantly for today, financial data. Once you're on the stock page, look for the Financials tab and click it. This section is where Seeking Alpha organizes the company's core statements. You'll see three primary categories: the income statement, the balance sheet, and the cash flow statement. Think of the income statement as the story of profitability, revenue, expenses, and net income over a period. The balance sheet is a snapshot of what the company owns and owes at a point in time: assets, liabilities, and shareholders' equity. The cash flow statement explains how cash moves in and out of the business, separating operating cash, investing activities, and financing activities. Together, these three give you a full picture of performance, stability, and cash health. Seeking Alpha typically displays multiple years of data here, and if you have a premium subscription, you can usually see up to about 10 years. That extended history is useful for spotting long-term trends, cyclicality, and the impact of major events on the business. At the top of the financial tables, you'll notice a drop-down menu that controls the reporting period. Click that drop-down and select Annual. This switches the view to year-by-year results, which is ideal when you want to assess the company's longer-term trajectory instead of short-term fluctuations. Annual figures align with how management reports full-year performance and can make ratios and growth rates easier to interpret. As you review the annual view, take a moment to confirm you're seeing the time frame you expect and that each line item corresponds to the statement you're analyzing. Annual data smooths out seasonality and provides clearer comparisons across years, especially when evaluating revenue growth, margin trends, debt levels, and cash generation. That's it. Go to the stock page, open Financials, and switch the tables to Annual. With those simple actions, you'll have a reliable, structured look at a company's fundamentals that supports smarter, long-term investment research.